In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma's Noise and Texture plug. First, open your design in Figma so you can see the frame or shape you want to enhance. We'll be adding texture as a non-destructive fill so you can keep designing while it sits on your object. Next, open the plugins using the Quick Actions bar. Press Ctrl-K. Type plugins, then search for Noise and Texture. When you see the plugin in the results, click Run. This is the fastest way to get the panel open without leaving your canvas. Before you start tweaking settings, select the exact layer you want to affect. That can be a single shape, a component, or an entire frame. Selection matters because the plugin applies the effect to whatever is active. If nothing's selected, the result won't have a target. So click once on your object in the Layers panel or directly on the canvas. With your layer selected, open the plugin window. You'll see a control panel with sliders and drop-downs and a live preview that updates as you adjust. Begin under Pattern by choosing a style. Each style comes with its own set of controls, so don't be surprised if the options change when you switch looks. Use size to control the grain scale, the smaller the value. The tighter and finer the texture. Larger values create bold, visible noise. Adjust opacity to set intensity. Lower opacity gives a subtle patina. Higher values make the texture stand out. Color and blend are where the texture integrates with your design. Pick a specific color to tint the noise, then experiment with blend modes like multiply to darken underlying colors, or overlay to add contrast while preserving highlights and shadows. Small changes here can dramatically alter the mood, so glance at your canvas while you move the sliders. Once the preview looks right, apply it. Click Add to Canvas to place the texture as a new fill on your selected object. Or choose Export if you need an asset outside Figma. Either way, you are locking in the look you just previewed. Here is also Motion. In the Motion tab, the plugin can generate animated shaders such as wavy or rays. Use these when you want dynamic backgrounds or subtle movement. When you are happy, export as React code or an iframe embed, so you can drop the result into web tools like Framer or Webflow without manual rebuilding. That's it. Thanks for watching.